Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like NFTs? Do you want to start creating your own NFTs and start selling and buying NFTs for free? Then you came to the right video, because in this one we will be talking about the best 4 marketplaces or the best 4 platforms to start using NFTs completely for free. Make sure to stick around until the end of this video, because it will be a free step-by-step guide for you. And before we start, this video is not financial advice, it's only for educational purposes, and let's get into it. So guys, we start with platform number 1, which is OpenSea. Probably one of the most famous NFT marketplaces out there. It's quite popular, everyone is using it, everyone has heard the name OpenSea before. It's an American online non-fungible token or NFT marketplace that you can just buy, create, upload, and if you're an artist you can use it to publish your art as an NFT, and you can also buy and sell NFTs on this marketplace. It's based in the US and New York, and of course it offers a massive utility for your creations. So if you look at it here, you will find that it's very organized. It had some retouches over the last few months, and you know that the marketplace also is heavily affected by the cryptocurrency space, so things can swing by ups and downs. And of course one of the major projects here is the Yacht Club, or the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And you can see here, when you scroll around in the platform, you will see that it's quite organized. You can see an overview of what's going on, what's upcoming, what's on the spotlight, what's going on in the artistic realm in general, and you can also see the price of 24 hours volume for each project, how things are going, how things are proceeding. So you can expect as a creator even to have some good visibility here on your creations and how things are progressing. And of course you might be asking how to start creating or how to start using this platform. Of course you need to connect your wallet over here. It supports major wallets in the market. You will find Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Ledger, Coinbase Wallet, Phantom, and even more. So you can check it out, and depending on the wallet you personally use, you just connect it here. MetaMask is popular, but I would say just make sure that you double check your security levels with MetaMask, because you know the past incidents with MetaMask. But generally speaking here it's quite easy, straightforward, and you can just dive into it. As you can see, Bored Ape Yacht Club, one of the major projects on OpenSea, and you can also find here it's sorted out by arts, gaming, membership, and photography. You can find whatever you like. Even if you want to collect, if you want to start collecting NFTs, you can find here whatever you're looking for. And the organization of this platform is just top notch, and I would say that's one of the reasons it's making it to being the top on the market and to being the most preferred marketplace for many creators and also for many buyers. So I would say give it a go and inform yourself more and start using OpenSea, because it's really that simple to use, and it has all underlying platforms, all underlying chains. You can have Ethereum, you can have Polygon, you can have whatever you want. It's all built in. So the expansion here of OpenSea is just amazing, and I would highly recommend it for anyone starting, or even if someone is experienced and you're not using it, I would say give it a go. This is a great platform. So platform number 2 we have here in this video is Rarible. Rarible here, I mean the name kind of says it all. It's about things that are rare to a degree. So it's a software allowing digital artists and creators to issue and sell custom crypto assets, and they're representing their ownership in their digital work, meaning that you are enforcing reality, zero code, zero cost, meaning that whenever you're an artist and you put effort into making something, that you get a return for that, and you can have a trustworthy marketplace to start using it and to start earning from your work, and also start publishing and making yourself visible to a wider audience. As you can see here, it's quite also well organized. Everything is laid out beautifully. You can have an overview and the look what's going on and how things are performing. Of course you will find major projects here, and you can find them certified as well. And as you go down, you will find a guide for you how to create a marketplace for your own community. You can just go through. It's quite easy, and it's also supporting major chains over here, Ethereum, of course, Polygon, and whatsoever. And you can also find that it's connecting to major wallets over here. You can have MetaMask, you can have Wallet Connect, you can have Coinbase Wallet. These are the major players in the game, and you can even have more options, but of course you can have that these are the most popular with Ethereum. If you want Solana, you can have Install Phantom. Tezos, you can have Beacon and Temple, and Polygon, you can also have MetaMask, Coinbase, and Wallet Connect. So I would say the most widely used options here are Polygon and Ethereum, quite trustworthy, and things are straightforward also in this platform. So I would say you can can also have a look here by the search for the floor price for a piece of art. You can put the piece you're looking for, or you can search within a price range you're looking for from minimum to maximum, and depending also on the chain, you want Ethereum, you want Tezos, you want Polygon, you can just search it, and you can also search it by the day it has been published or the date it has been published. Also here you can find an overview of what's going on, and you can find that things are also well laid out and well organized. You can just manage your way around quite easily here, and once you start using it, you will find that things are quite easy to create or to sell or even to buy NFTs here using your cryptocurrencies and using your wallet. Things are straightforward, and that's also one of the reasons that making Rarible one of the best trustworthy platform to use NFTs or to start your journey with NFTs. So we're going to platform number 3. We have Nifty Gateway. Pretty nifty name, and it's a pretty nifty marketplace as well. It's a digital art online auction platform for NFTs, meaning that it's a platform to start using your NFTs, to start auctioning your NFTs. If you want to put it for bidding, if someone bids higher than the other, then he will take it. And you can find that it's also pretty well laid out. Everything is just beautifully organized here, and you can find the dates here in 91, 26, 54, and you can find that's hours, of course, that's minutes, that's seconds, so you can find that that's around 5-ish days or so. And you can find that things are quite dynamic over here, meaning that it's fast paced, it's an auction, so you may need to make your mind quite quickly here with some certain artworks, and it's very artistic. It's not like others that you might only see cartoons or so. No, you will find all sorts of things here. You can find photography, you can find 3D rendering, you can find 2D artworks, you can find paintings, you can find whatever you want, you can find it here. And they're also making some drops here and there. Marketplace is very easy and very organized. You can search here in the search bar, search NFT collections, creators, and more. Things are very straightforward, and also signing in here or connecting your wallet is quite easy. You can download MetaMask and just plug in. As I told you, MetaMask is widely used in the NFT community for being one of the easiest wallets to just join and connect and approve any transaction if you want to buy or sell your NFT or even store your NFTs. So it's one of the easiest and also one of the securest, but I would say double check your security levels and make it to the highest, and make every single transaction coming to you for approval first. Don't make it on automatic, but it's one of the greatest options for you. And you can see that Nifty Gateway is now officially on IMX as well, so expansion is going there. And as you can see here, it's just beautifully laid and things are very well organized, and the expansion for NFTs in the upcoming weeks and months is just going to be amazing. So you can also subscribe here to their mailing list and never miss a drop. Also in NFTs, you might need to be a bit quick. As I told you might need to act quickly, so probably consider subscribing to their mailing list so you can have an overview quickly on what's going on and what are the latest development with the new projects. And coming now to the final platform I have for you here as a recommendation, which is MarketPlace. It's one of the most trusted marketplace and community to discover, buy, and create NFTs. And these are authentic NFTs, meaning that people are just not putting any garbage over here. No, they will have surpassed some certain level of seriousness in order for them to publish here. It's a sense of collectors, you know, it's just not anything, any random thing you will find here. You will find that it's leading the digital creators because it has some seriousness and some threshold to meet first before people can start like going crazy with this platform. So that's a very good approach, and it's a place for creators. As I told you here, it's creating and selling your own digital creations as NFTs on the vibrant community of more than 100,000 collectors. So things are growing in the crypto market and the NFT place. Things are picking up once more, and things are quite dynamic in NFT. I mean, NFT is well connected to the metaverse, and metaverse are using pieces of arts or pieces of creations from the NFT marketplace to start using them in the metaverse. So things are interlinked, and I would also say that that's a very, very well trusted marketplace. So you can start connecting, and it's quite easy as well. Once you start here connecting, you will find that major wallets are supported, and also you can find that your MetaMask wallet can be quite easy to connect. As I told you, MetaMask is probably the most widely used wallet for connecting to NFTs and storing your NFTs, but here you can find that the marketplace is quite well organized. You can also filter it out, sort it, and you can just see that the art here is just top notch. It's not mocking about, it's just nothing random. It's a very well executed artwork over here, and you will find yourself amazed by the quality and the amount of artwork pieces over here on the platform. So feel free to check it out as well. And these were my humble recommendations for you for NFT marketplaces. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the best 4 marketplaces for NFTs. If you're an artist, if you want to start your journey with NFTs, non-fungible tokens, then you might need to start looking for these 4 platforms and start informing yourself more about the process. So everything is linked down below in the description. You can feel free to check it out. And I would say that if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below. And until next one, bye-bye.